know I'm late, but I'm around the corner. I'm literally a minute away. I swear, it was sitting at the top of my inbox for a week and I finally got the email. I promise. Oh, you're kidding. Yeah, it's been like 3 months. Just give me 21.
Just 1 minute, please.
Okay. Sorry, I'm stuck. What are you shooting?
It's a rom-com.
Please call me tonight.
Action!
I'm sorry.
Yeah, you should be.
I love you.
Cut!
All right, so stop.
Thank you.
Yes, I need you to go up to the guest just a little soon.
We've done like 6 takes. Where are we landing with this 6 takes now? All right, let's do that.
Sorry, yeah, I'll be there in a sec. Sarah!
Hi, Alex. You like it?